You can buy green and still satisfy your desire for luxury and speed with the Lexus GS 450h Hybrid Sports Sedan. Powered by a 3.5-liter V6 engine that generates 339 horsepower at 267 pound-feet of torque, the GS 450h blazes from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 5.2 seconds while sipping fuel at 28 miles per gallon on the highway. Lexus did not forsake luxury to reach these accomplishments, for the H comforts you with leather perforated heated seats, fine red walnut woods, keyless start, Mark Levinson 14-speaker audio system, and rain sensing wipers. Safety features include head and side airbags, 4-wheel anti-lock brakes, and stability and traction control. The sculptured exterior lines makes the H one of the best looking vehicles in its class, and it is a head turner. Green can also be beautiful. A compact high-output permanent magnet electric motor drives the rear wheels. This high-performance sports sedan's ride and handling and acceleration goes against all your preconceptions of a hybrid, for the H handles exceptionally well, rides like a luxury sedan, and accelerates, well, as I mentioned before, from 0 to 60 in 5.2 seconds. It's been estimated that in the H, at 28 miles per gallon, you'll make 7 less trips to the gas station. Lexus has once again won up the competition, added excitement to the hybrid segment, and kept its loyal customer base happy with the new GS 450h Hybrid Sports Sedan. This is Roosevelt Gifts.